It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So if you have a Christmas market and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise it, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your Christmas market. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, currently over 900, by the way. We are adding more markets every single week for various small businesses. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, Christmas market. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your Christmas market's operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and creates a simple website with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. As you can see, they're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of your Christmas markets, maybe some vendors at your market space, and you want to showcase it on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a little bit more personalized to your market specifically. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to be showing you how to make some minor changes. You don't need to know coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and make our way to the top, and let me give you a brief overview, show you quickly how to make those changes. It's super simple. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address for my markets, maybe for people that would like to book a vendor spots or a store at my markets, persons to get in contact with. Let's go ahead and click on show email and site. Pop in our phone number so customers can easily reach out. That is click to call, by the way. Now, our physical location, our street address of our Christmas market. And once your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links, you can put in the various links your social media, your Christmas market is active on social media. Once you do so, you'll literally find all the links here at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a logo for your Christmas logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that pencil over it. Otherwise, save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller as well. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, make it a little bit more suited to your markets, go ahead and browse through all the different color palettes available. Maybe we want something a little bit more festive. Excellent. Now, for each section, you want to make amendments to click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your photos instead of uploading them. Under update action is where we can change that call to action button for each section. Can change the text as well as where the button links to, even upload a PDF file, which is a great option to maybe display or more information on the various vendors or store holders at your markets, or what your market's going to offer, a flyer, for example, in PDF format. And the last section is a lead generation form where your customers, market goers can easily reach out to you with their queries and questions. Keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your markets, go ahead and click on connect your domain. If you don't have one, you really want one, we recommend you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Marti Sites platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your Christmas market, and I'm really wishing you and your market Marti success.